Hi, my name is Miguel, and today we're going to show you how to use the ProFit Quick Connect fittings. First, pick the right fitting for your connection. We're going to use a 3/8 fitting. Then cut your copper. Make sure you deburr the tubing and tap out any shavings. It must be clean and free of any debris. And if needed, make sure you round out your copper. Now grab the depth measure and mark your lines on both sides. Grab your 3/8 size quick connect fitting and push until it's flush with your marking on both sides. And to ensure that you have connected the fittings properly, check the clear side windows. You should see the tubing. If you don't, just push again until you see them. Now we can pressure test our ProFit Quick Connect fitting to make sure that we installed it properly. As you can see, the ProFit Quick Connect is quick and easy to use, and it requires no flaring or brazing, helping you to save time on job sites. Once the system has been depressurized, it's also easily removed with the quick release tools. To learn more about ProFit Quick Connect and other HVAC solutions, visit us at rectorseal.com.